Hello guys, welcome to Saujanya Creations. Let's prepare homemade mehendi, Ashadam special mehendi. Now take the leaves and remove the sticks and wash 2 times and keep aside. Now take a bowl, add some water and pinch of tamarind. Soak for 10 minutes. Now take the bowl and add 1 spoon of curd. Take one betel nut, smash it and add in the curd. Soak for 10 minutes. Now take mehendi leaves, add in a jar and grind it. Mix it and again grind it. Add curd and tamarind in that and grind it. Add water as required and again mix them and grind it. This is the way to prepare mehendi paste. See how the color shaded. This is the way to prepare mehendi paste. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe.